April. April is an appropriate time.
That's true. April Fool's Day, in fact. Go get it!
Hop in. Get it!
I don't know.
Go! Jump in!
Be a good little retriever, come on.
I have to get this temperature, guys. Go! Get it! Did you not fool me? Remember to raise no fool? Go! Yes! Good girl! Go! She doesn't even know what to do.
Oh, she knows what to do. Got you, Mom.
Hoppy. Come on! Go get it! Get it! Go! Go get it! Get it!
I can't reach
Yes!
it.
Go! She's so close. Go and get it, dummy. Go!
Maybe we should stop pushing her in. Bye!
Where are you going? She said I want to get you wet, Mom. Get it! Go get all those sticks I threw. Go! Here, open.
Got it.
Get it. So close. Get it.
Do we just need to throw her in?
Yes.
Pick her up and throw her?
I think she'll get in eventually, actually.
Go get it.
Come on, puppy. Oh, look at this big one. Go get it. Yes. Go. I'll reach. Go. Jump in.
You can swim, I promise you.
She knows. She doesn't want to be cold, I bet.
No, it's not too cold.
You can put your feet in there. Get that golf ball while you're at it.
Holpy,
Dog.
come here. Come on. Come on. It's like, Dad, why'd you push me in? Oh, I'm gonna drip all over your foot. Holpy, watch me. Watch me. Close enough, I guess.
Wolfie. Oh, you took that from me. This is mine. Oh, but what if I take it from you? What if I take it from you? And put it in there.
That's good. She took a step in.
Come here, Wolfie. Drop. Good girl. Ready? Ready? Oh. Oh.
You're too slow for her.
Drop. Get it. Good girl. Good girl. Come. Where did it go? Here it is. Good girl. Drop. Just shake, Dad. Here we go.
Ready? Oops.
This is your
Holpy, you ready? Go get it.
Go.
Go get it. Go get it.
Go get it.
Go
Good
get it.
girl.
Come on, go get it.
Good
Opie,
job,
come on.
go get it.
Come on. Go get it. Go get it.
Get it.
Come on.
Stick quick.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Use this rope.
Oh, good girl. Good girl.
Good dog. So cool. Get it.
Go get
it.
Don't like being wet.
Go get that stick. Quickly.
Was it quick? Is it still quick?
Jump! Jump! What the hell is she doing? What's she doing? Just sticks your head in there. You know, that's the cold part, dum-dum.
What was that?
Come on. Come on.
She says, none of this for me.
OMG. Oh, get that stick. Get that one. I didn't even see it. That was not a stick.
She got it though.
Go get it. Good girl.
Did that stick almost get you?
Look at her go.
Can
I
I,
missed it. Here, Hopi, look. Look.
Hopi, you want this stick? Do you want this stick? You want this stick? Ready? Go get it. Go get it.
Get it, girl, get it. Go.
Go get it. Go get it.
We have a swimmer.
Where are you going?
It's a good girl. I gotta get all muddy for you.
Come on.
Oh, I wish I had my phone. Shake.
Thank you. You didn't even bring the stick back.
I forgot what I got in there for.
Okay.